Imagine trekking through lush green forests, crossing charming wooden bridges, and ending your day soaking in natural hot water springs. That's the magic of Kheerganga Trek. And today, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to know before you pack your bags. Let's begin. Nestled deep in the stunning Parvati Valley of Himachal Pradesh, the 12 kilometers long Kheerganga Trek is a must-do for every nature lover and first-time trekker. Famous for its breathtaking landscapes and the mystical hot springs at the top, this trek combines adventure, peace, and a little bit of magic. It's short, rewarding, and perfect if you're just starting your trekking journey. How to reach. Reaching Kheerganga is quite straightforward. First, you need to get to Buntur, which is around 40 kilometers before Manali. From Delhi, you can either take a direct Volvo bus to Buntur or even to Kasol, depending on your plan. From Buntur, local taxis and buses take you to Barshaini, the starting point of the trek. Now, a quick look at the basic itinerary. Day 1. Reach Barshaini and start your trek towards Kheerganga. It's about 12 to 14 kilometers and takes roughly 5 to 6 hours depending on your pace. Day 2. After spending a magical night at Kheerganga under the stars, you descend back to Barshaini and head towards your next destination, maybe Kasol, Tosh, or Manikaran. There are two main routes from Barshaini, one via Nakthan village, which is shorter and more scenic, and another via Kalga village, which is a bit less crowded. Best time to visit. The best time to trek Kheerganga is between May and June, and then again from September to early November. During these months, the weather is pleasant, the skies are clear, and the forests are alive with greenery. Avoid trekking during the monsoon season, July and August, because heavy rains can make the trail slippery and dangerous. Trek difficulty. Now, let's talk about the difficulty level. Kheerganga Trek is rated easy to easy moderate. It's perfect for beginners, but don't underestimate it. The trek involves continuous uphill walking for 5 to 6 hours. Basic fitness, especially stamina for long walks, will make your journey much smoother. You don't need technical gear, but a good pair of trekking shoes is highly recommended. Trek packages and cost. Trek packages for Kheerganga usually cost between 1,000 Indian rupees to 2,500 Indian rupees per person. These packages typically include your camping stay at the top, dinner and breakfast, and sometimes a guide. You can book through popular operators in Kasol, Barshaini, or even online. If you're trekking independently, you can simply pay for a tent at the top, which usually costs around 500 Indian rupees to 800 Indian rupees per person depending on the season. Important tips for trekkers. Here are some crucial tips to make your trek safe and memorable. Pack smart. Carry a raincoat even in summer, a warm jacket for the night, good trekking shoes, and a reusable water bottle. Network alert. There's no mobile signal after Barshaini, so inform your family in advance. Money matters. Carry cash. The last ATMs are in Kasol or Manikaran. Stay on trail. Always stick to the marked paths, especially after Nakthan. There have been incidents of people getting lost. Hot spring. Don't miss soaking in the natural hot water pool at the top. It's one of the best experiences of the trek. Health tip, stay hydrated and take short breaks. Even though it's a low-altitude trek compared to bigger expeditions, it still demands endurance. And that wraps up your complete guide to the Kheerganga Trek. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your doubts, and subscribe to Trek Talks for more detailed trekking guides. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring the Himalayas.